Welcome to the channel. Today, I will guide you through setting up a gratitude check-in reminder using the Calm app on your phone. This feature helps you build a daily habit of reflecting on things you are thankful for, which can improve your overall mindfulness and well-being. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the Settings options until you find the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings. Here, you will find the Gratitude Check-in option. Tap on it to continue. After that, choose the time for your gratitude check-in reminder by tapping on the time field. A clock interface will appear, allowing you to pick the hour and minutes that work best for you. When you finish selecting the time, press OK to confirm your choice. Next, decide which days you want to receive the reminder. By default, all days are selected, but you can uncheck any days when you prefer not to be reminded. Make sure the Get Reminder toggle is turned on to activate the notification. Finally, tap on Set Reminder to save all your preferences. From this point forward, the Calm app will notify you at your chosen time to complete your gratitude check-in. This tool can help you maintain a positive mindset every day.